Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best tree branch cutter garden tool reviews. Dual 20 volts brushless electric scissors offer powerful cordless pruning for effortless cutting of branches, fruit trees, and garden plants. Equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor for longer runtime and durability. Ergonomic, lightweight design ensures comfort during extended use. A versatile garden tool for professionals and home gardeners alike.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.